Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we help you level up your commerce skills. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Today's video is all about parading. And no, we're not talking about a literal parade. We're diving into how you can parade your skills and knowledge to stand out in the commerce field. Step 1. Present yourself with confidence. Host. All right, first things first, confidence is key. Whether you're speaking in front of a class, giving a business presentation, or simply answering questions, you need to own the room. And guess what? Confidence isn't about knowing everything. It's about knowing what you know and presenting it with conviction. For example, if you're discussing market trends, don't just read off statistics. Instead, share your thoughts on why those trends matter. Speak with authority, make eye contact, and use gestures. Trust me, if you act like an expert, people will listen like you are one. Pro tip: if you struggle with confidence, practice in front of a mirror, or even better, record yourself. You'll be amazed at the improvement when you see your own progress. Step 2. Structure your knowledge. Host. Next up is structuring your knowledge. Parading is all about how you present what you know, and the best way to do that is by organizing your ideas. Break things down into clear sections or steps. For example, if you're explaining a business plan, you should structure it like this. Start with the introduction. What problem are you solving? Move on to the market analysis. What's the market potential? And then present your solution. Why is your plan the best one? This makes it easier for your audience to follow, and it makes you come across as well prepared and knowledgeable. Step 3. Engage and interact. Host. And finally, to truly stand out, you have to engage with your audience. Whether you're in a classroom, an interview, or even on YouTube, make it interactive. Ask questions, encourage feedback, and invite others to share their thoughts. For example, when you're discussing a financial model, don't just explain it. Ask your audience, what do you think the risks of this model are? Or, how would you improve it? This creates a conversation, and trust me, people remember those who make them think. Conclusion. Host. So, there you have it. 3 simple steps to parade your knowledge and stand